guys, Colton Joins here. Welcome back to the channel. You guys seem to be really liking the tier list content, so I decided to do some more. So today we're gonna rank cereal. First off, starting off strong with Apple Jacks. Basically, wait, let me just mention the tiers first. So the bottom one is mental institutional hospital material. So basically, if you like any of these cereals at the bottom here, you straight up deserve to be in a mental hospital. Okay cereals, worthwhile cereals, contenders for the best tier cereals. These are cereals equivalent to 5-star meals and god tier cereals. Okay, Apple Jacks starting off strong. I'll just put it okay. It's mostly just a ripoff of an underrated cereal, Fruit Loops, and just these stupid characters, man. Like with Fruit Loops, you get the calming pecan, right? Or whatever it is. But now you get this apple and cinnamon stick that stare into your face on the box art like they're psychopaths or something. So that's why I'm putting it D tier. Alright. Cap'n Crunch. I'd say it's worthwhile. Not the best cereal, but it's still really good. Cereals, you gotta be like 80 years old or clinically insane to like this cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch God tier, bro. I can't even begin on how good this one is, bro. It is so good, bro. There's some of these I've never heard of, so I'm gonna make a new tier. No, don't do that. Delete. Add a row below. There. Never eaten. Fruity Pebbles, all those are straight up going F tier, cause they're just so soggy, and once they land in the milk, you just can't even enjoy them anymore. Cocoa Puffs, I'd say it's worthwhile. Hell no, not as good as Captain Crunch. Cookie Crisp, I put that at 5-star meal. Not as good as Cinnamon Toast Crunch though. Corn Flakes D tier, it's okay. Pops never tried. Never tried these. Oops, all berries, that's going up. Contenders for the best, hell yeah. Fruit Loops, this is an underrated cereal. It's also going in the contenders for the best tier, and it's better than Cap'n Crunch Oops All Berries. Frosted Flakes, it's worthwhile. Probably in the back of the line though. F tier, bro. Fruity Pebbles sucks. I don't know why people love it so much. Honey Bunches of Oats, worthwhile. I'd probably put it in between Frosted Flakes and Cocoa Puffs. Cheerios, honey It's a little better than Cheerios, so I'll put it in the front of it. Kicks, never eaten. Life cereal, oh hell nah. Lucky Charms is okay. Better than Apple Jacks. Mini Wheats, never tried. Oatmeal Squares, that's literally just a rip-off of Chex. Raisin Bran's going F, probably better than Life cereal though. Also F. Reese's Puffs is 5-star meal, but not as good as Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and it's also better than Cookie Crisp. Rice Chex is pretty worthwhile. In the middle of Honey Bunches of Oats and Frosted Flakes though. Rice Krispies is pretty worthwhile. Shredded wheat, never tried. Trix, pretty F tier. Kind of just squeeze it there. I mean, it's better than Fruity Pebbles, but it's mostly just for kids. Wheaties, never tried. Okay, so this is the tier list. Let me know if you guys like this list or not, what you agree with and what you don't. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.